Model, 66-plate Ford Grand C-Max Titanium 1.0 Turbo EcoBoost needs clutch very nice ULEZ compliant Euro 6 bargain grin. Body, red, MPV. Mileage, 68,825. Engine, 999 cc 1.0125 PS EcoBoost S6e. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, the clutch pedal is on the floor so will need concentric slave replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,875. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.